Okay, let's go back to the question. Potter believes that 20% of pots break whilst being fired in a kiln. And what I like to do is write down the information as I read it. So our probability is 0.2. Pots are fired in batches of 25. Okay, X is the number of pots that break. Number of pots that break. And we're asked to look at a 10% significance level. Okay, so that is how unlikely is it to happen? 10% significance level. And we've been asked to do a two-tailed test. So that means we have to split our 10% significance level into our two tails, 5% in each tail. Okay, find the critical region using a two-tailed test and state the probability of it in each tail of the critical region. So if we have a look at the book, where you've got the tables, we're looking at n is 25, probability of 0.2, and here are our numbers here. Okay, so if we look at the lower tail first, probability that one or fewer pots breaks is 0.0274. Okay, if we only got one or fewer pots break, there's only a 2.7% chance of that happening, which is really extreme. It's really unlikely. Let's go up to our next one, x less than or equal to 2, and that's got a probability of 0.0982. So nearly a 10% chance of that happening. We've been asked to look for the 5% significance level. So it's extremely unusual if there's less than 5% chance of it happening. So it'd be extremely unusual, less than 5% chance if we had one or fewer pots break. Two or fewer pots break is less unlikely to happen. Okay, our upper tail. So using the book again, we can go to, we'll start at x is less than or equal to 9. So the probability of x being less than or equal to 9 is 0.9827. Sorry, 9827. Remember, we're looking at the upper tail now. We actually want to know what's beyond that 9. So that's probability of x being greater than or equal to 10. And we have to do 1 minus that. So probability of getting 10 or more pots breaking is 0.0173. Okay, a 1% chance of that happening. That's really unlikely to happen. So that is in our critical region. We've got to find the boundary of that.